Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a protein shake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a good protein powder, a liquid base such as water or milk, and any optional additions like fruits or nut butter. Having everything ready makes the blending process smooth and efficient. This foundational step ensures you create a delicious and nutritious shake tailored to your preferences. To achieve a perfectly smooth shake, start by pouring your chosen liquid into the blender first. This helps prevent the protein powder from clumping at the bottom. Next, add your measured protein powder, usually 1 or 2 scoops, and any other solid ingredients. Blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds until all ingredients are fully combined and the texture is creamy. You can easily enhance both the flavor and nutritional value of your protein shake. Try adding a handful of fresh or frozen berries for antioxidants and a sweet kick. A tablespoon of almond butter or half an avocado provides healthy fats, keeping you feeling full longer. For an undetectable veggie boost, blend in a cup of spinach. It's packed with vitamins. For consistent success with your protein shakes, remember a few key tips. If you're often on the go, a shaker bottle offers a convenient way to mix your shake quickly. Don't be afraid to experiment with various protein powder flavors and brands to find your favorites. And always clean your blender or shaker bottle right after use to make cleanup much easier and prevent residue buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.